Welcome back friends, this is Ram here and it's 38th tutorial on JavaFX 8. In this tutorial we are going to see the mobile number validation. So 38th on mobile number validation. So for that I am going to create one more text field in the application. So mobile and going to declare this text field after the email. So to do that I'm going to copy this and rename it as a mobile. And from text say mobile number. Next I'm going to add one more column to the table for the mobile number. So going to copy one more column and add to the, say it is column 9 for mobile number. And here mobile number. Say this, replace this with column 9 and add one more column to the tables. And one more thing, we have to add the email mobile field into the layout. So to do that we have to add here a mobile. Now next is I'm going to create one more field into the user class. So open your user class and create one more field for the mobile. Say mobile number, add one more string. So string mobile number and declare it in a constructor. So this mobile number is for mobile number. Next write one get and set method for the mobile number. And one more is set method. We are passing mobile number. Now we have created one more mobile field into the user class. So come back to the main tutorial and add one more field into a refresh class, that is mobile number. So comma rs dot get string mobile number. Now save this. Now we have created mobile number. Now we need to add this mobile number field into the database. So open your database, SQLite manager or anything you using. Go to the structure or add one more column, say mobile number. I'm going to set this type as a text and add. So this is the 8th column, mobile number added into the database. So we can see this. Now once check this, it is in the layout or not. Initial username and password of my application is Ram. So this is the new field which we have added in the layout. So I'm going to hide this username and password field such that it will be more comfortable or not be a compact. Now next I'm going to write a validation class for the mobile number. So close this, come to the application and write one more class for the mobile number validation. So I'm going to copy one class and rename it with the validate mobile number. Now we have to pass up such a pattern that it must validate or must check with the that mobile field. So this, and one thing that in India the mobile number is either 10 digit, 11 digit or 12 digit, and if it is 11 digit, it adds a 0, that is the state code, and if it's 12 digit it adds a country code. And in India there is a first digit must be either 7 or 8 or 9. So we are going to write the pattern for these numbers. So first is the first digit must be 7 to 9, so and the remaining digit from 0 to 9, and that must be 9 times. So this is pattern for the first or the last 10 digits. The number of the first digit must be 7 to 9. The remaining numbers between 0 to 9, and they are 9 times. So when the 0 is added, or it's 11 digit, so 0 and question mark. If it's 11 digit, it will check for the 0, and if it's 12 digit, zero, it will check either for a 0 or country code 91. So this is the pattern for the mobile number. First it will check for the 0 or 91, that is state code or country code. Then it will proceed with the next first digit of a mobile number, either 7, 8 or 9. Then last remaining digits is between 0 to 9, and they are 9 times. So I'm going to use this pattern in the application. So replacing this pattern with a mobile pattern. So first is country code question mark. If it's available, it will check for 0 or 9. If it's not, it will check first digit 7 to 9, then the remaining digits 0 to 9, and 9 times. Now replace this with mobile and mobile. So if pattern matches with the mobile number, it will check for the group all the mobile number field. So it must not exceed the mobile number, and if it's true, return true, and if it's false, we are going to open a dialog for a warning of mobile number. So whenever it false, it will generate a dialog for a warning of mobile number validation and return false. Now I'm going to add this validate mobile number class into the save button action field. So after the whenever we are going to save the anything, it will check for the mobile number validation. If it's valid mobile number, it will enter into the try catch block. Now we have to add one more thing in the string or in the query of save action method, that is a mobile number, and add one more question mark in the values. Now to save the mobile number into the database, we are going to copy this and say this is the 9th for mobile, and save. And after saving, this must be clear. So we are going to add clear for the mobile in the clear field class. So this must be clear after the saving. Save this. Now run and check whether this is working or not. So this is the new field which we have added in the database as a mobile number. Now we are going to add new user to validate the mobile number. So say this is the 13th user, say Amir Khan. Let's say Amir Khan @gmail.com, and the mobile number, say I'm going to say any random mobile number for the validation first. So I'm going to start any digit, say 7, 8, 9 or something. Set the username Amir, password Amir123 @k. Set any random date of birth, say 14 5, say 1978. It's not true, but for example I'm going to use this, and he's a male. So it has to open a warning dialog for a mobile because it is not a 10 digit number or 11 or 12. That is, it is not a valid mobile number. So I'm going to save this. So here we can see this, the warning dialog for mobile number validation. Okay, now I'm going to add extra digits, more than 12 digits, and check whether this is validate for extra digits or not. So this is not a valid mobile number. Now I'm going to try to save this. So again we can see that this is not a valid mobile number. Okay, now we are going to check for some wrong number, that is when we start with the any other starting digit, that is 7, 8 or 9. So this is the 10 digit number. Yes, now save. Now again this is going to validate because we have to must start the mobile number with a 7 or 8 or 9. So okay, so now say 987653210. Now this is the valid mobile number, but when we pass anything wrong, so this is the 11 digit number with starting digit 1. Now again it's going to validate for this 1. So save. Now this is the validation for a wrong state code. Okay, now for the 12 digit, if I use 92 instead of 91, so again this is going to validate. So we must to add a valid number, then only it going to pass this. So the number with a 9 one and country code, and the last 10 digits are valid. So I'm going to save this. So user has been created. This time we have passed a valid user details and our user has been added into the database. So this is the tutorial on mobile number validation. If you have any question or doubt about this tutorial, ask me in a comment section, or you can mail me on my email ID, that is alapureram@gmail.com. And finally, if you really like my work, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next tutorial.